Welcome to our tutorial on how to enter a promo code on Betmgm in 2025. Today, we will explore the benefits of using promo codes and maximize your gaming experience. Let's start by creating your Betmgm account. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it effortlessly. As you fill out your information, don't forget to navigate to the promo code entry section. It's essential for unlocking your bonuses. To make the most of your experience, check for the latest Betmgm promo codes for 2025. You can find them on the official site or trusted reviews. When entering your promo code, ensure accuracy. Double-check your entry because a small typo can prevent you from claiming your bonus. Once you enter the promo code, you'll go through a verification process. If successful, you'll see a confirmation message. Now, it's time to use that promo code for your first deposit or bet. Get ready to place your wager and enjoy your bonuses. If you encounter issues while entering your promo code, don't worry. We'll cover common problems and how to troubleshoot them. By entering a promo code, you might unlock even more promotions. Let's take a look at what other exciting offers are available.